Hi traders, very quickly I just want to make a video about how you should trade in this scenario where on the weekend the President of the United States and Russia are meeting in Alaska, so basically US territory that actually I guess everybody knows the US bought from Russia for a couple $1 million. So the thing is, it is a bigger event than I think many of you would think, and it is because of a couple reasons. With this war between Russia and Ukraine, there is actually nothing happening on the no change is happening on the front where, you know, when it comes to negotiations, when it comes to like how the sides are moving, including NATO for example, or the forces around Russia, like for example the possible allies, and it is because it is a very, very sensitive issue now. It is much more sensitive than you would think if you are living in a country far away from Russia, Ukraine, all these things. I think it is much tougher to feel how important it is. So the two presidents are meeting in Alaska, and I would say just basically a recommendation. I just couldn't go ahead, not like make a new video for the series, for the gold trader series, the coding series, before I am making a video about how you should act before all this talk is going to happen between Russia and the United States. Now, there is a possibility that it is going to be a complete catastrophe. But there are possibilities that there is going to be some negotiation. And of course, because this whole thing is happening without the third party, basically, this is Ukraine, the country, which is, is the most interested in this whole situation, because it is the country that is getting, like bombed every day. So they are not there, and this talking, it is something that happened in many wars. They were these deals between the huge powerhouses without the country that is actually affected by it. This was all over the place in the world, so we can't do anything about it now. But before this happens, please adjust your EAs to safety, or your trading strategy to a more safe methods. Lower lot sizes, for example. Don't open as many trades as you would usually do if you are trading with multi-entry EAs. And please be aware of the gold markets, the oil markets, and the whole energy sector if you are trading in it. It is going to be messy if anything major is going to be announced or negotiated, or even if there are some hints about it. It's going to be very, very messy. The whole market can go sideways, and you can blow your account. So please lower your lot sizes, lower your entry volume, and really listen to the news and stay safe in the markets. If you are already using an EA, for example, that I am using most of the time, like single entry, low leverage using, low like minimal risk using EA, then you are good. But for example, like gold trading now, it's going to be very hard. So maybe you just want to switch off your EA if you like low risk. Ciao.